What door lock are you using on your travel trailer or camper?
Are you happy with it? We have something we want to show you. Stay tuned. Look at that view.
Hey guys, Tanya and David with Outside by Side.
You haven't seen us in a while because we have been so busy with work, and work has just gotten crazy for us. So we're really happy to talk to you again, and we want to introduce you to something that we're so happy we're going to get to talk about. You know, guys, we partner with a company called Kohree. We did this video on their hitch lock and we've really enjoyed it. Their products are great quality, and we had an issue that we want to talk about, and how important it is that Kohree reached out to us just at the right time.
Most travel trailers and RVs come with a standard Lippert door and the standard Lippert door lock, and we decided to upgrade ours to the Lippert keyless Bluetooth door lock with the keypad because we got tired of having to look for the keys and make sure that we didn't leave them in the camper or leave them in the truck, and we wanted to have a keypad with Bluetooth so it would just make things a little bit easier. We got the door lock. There's a couple things I don't like about it. Quite a few times when we've gone up to our door lock, sometimes the door lock won't open. You can put the code in and it doesn't work, and it's been really frustrating.
And the thing is, it just randomly stops working, so you never know when it's gonna work. Sometimes it'll open, sometimes it won't. We can come back from being out all day and it won't work. So it's just very random. There's really no rhyme or reason as to why it's working or not working. So that's one of the frustrating parts as well.
So we're excited to try out this new Kohree keyless door lock. This one also has a thumbprint reader.
Which we're excited about.
Right, so you don't really even need to use the code at all. So we're gonna remove our old lock, and then we're gonna put the new door lock on, program it, and we're gonna use it over the weekend, and we'll let y'all know what we think about it.
Yes.
So here's the Lippert keyless door lock that we're currently using. As you can see, this one has two keyholes, one for the latch and one for the deadbolt. To me, this is kind of counterproductive as well, because you have to sometimes unlock this, lock this, and then unlock this and lock this and figure out which one's locked. Here's the keypad. They are lighted, but sometimes it's hard to read these at night. What I don't like about this is that I don't like having to put the code in to lock it. To me, you should just be able to push a lock button. We're going to go ahead and remove this lock, and we're going to put the Kohree door lock on, and we're going to program it, and we're going to try it out and see how it works.
So this is the Kohree lock. It's nice, it's sturdy, it has an all metal construction. And this is really cool because you have three ways of getting in. You have the fingerprint, you have the code, and then you have keys. You probably don't need the keys, but they give you 4 keys, which is really cool because you're gonna have keys in case you need them. So we're gonna put this on.
So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is remove these 4 screws so we can split the lock in half for the installation.
You can see the additional hardware that comes with it, which is really nice in case you lose a screw.
So now we have obviously the outside and the inside pieces split. First, we're going to install the outside piece. So that just simply goes in there. Now we're going to go ahead and see if it shuts.
All right, so the door is unlocked. So we're just gonna hit the lock button to lock it, and you can see it illuminates here. It's locked, okay? Now we're gonna unlock it using our preset code. Unlocked, okay? And then you hit lock, so it's locked. Now we can use our thumbprint to unlock, and it unlocks, and that's it. So this is the inside of the lock, and when you get in, you just hit lock, and that's it. Very easy. Some of the other features, it includes the Swedish FPC lock, which is used in smartphones and other devices to help secure your fingerprint scans. So it's a really good fingerprint scanning system that they have. It's also corrosion resistant. It's rust proof. It has an IP66 rating for waterproofing, which definitely shows that it's waterproof enough for jets, sprays, rain, so the water's not going to get into your lock. You can have up to 50 locks and 30 fingerprints. And if you also notice the disturbance-free entry, so if you have to come in at night, you're not waking people up by having these loud entry locks like we have on our house. When we open our lock in the house, you can hear it all the way across the other room, but this one you can't, so that's really nice. You're not going to wake up your family. So if you're looking for a good lock, just remember, Kohree has great products. We highly recommend that you go on their website, Kohree.com.
1 week later.
We have used the Kohree lock and we absolutely love it. It has made our lives so much easier. We haven't had any issues. And if we're doing a comparison of the Kohree lock versus the Lippert lock, it is like night and day.
Yes, it's great not having to put a code. It's easy to just lock it when you need to lock it and unlock it and not have to worry about keys.
One of the issues we had is when we would pull over to get gas and we wanted to get in our camper, we're just exposed to put in the code. And it's highly unlikely, but anybody could follow us and know our code. And you always have to be safe out there on the road. So this makes us feel so much safer.
If you or anybody you know is looking for a door lock for their camper or travel trailer, please check out the Kohree website. You'll be able to find this product there. Everything that they have is top quality, and there's quite a few other products that they have, and they're always coming out with new stuff, so check them out.
Yes, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. We know that this is going to help them stay safe out there.
See you on the next video.
Bye.